You know, when we plant a seed, we don't expect it to grow into a tree and to bear fruits and flowers right away. Just like when someone gets pregnant, you don't expect the baby to pop out right away. You know that there is a waiting period. And the same is true for our goals, our visions, our purpose, and the things we want to accomplish. We don't take action once and then expect it to bear fruit right away. And so we know that we need to take consistent action daily and to nurture the seeds we are planting to make sure that the soil we are planting the seeds on is healthy and full of minerals. And we also need to water the plants from time to time. And so we know that there needs to be consistency in the long term. We need to take daily action. And we don't expect things to just happen all of a sudden. We expect things to build up. We trust the momentum and we trust the divine natural timing of things. And so sometimes there are people who are super excited to accomplish something and they get like that fire to start, but then they don't have the consistency to make that fire keep burning. And some people can be like, oh, I'm going to accomplish this, I'm going to do that. And they have that fire. But then a few days in, a few weeks in, a few months in, and they gave up. And this is one of the biggest difference between the people who succeed in achieving their goals and the people who don't. Because the people who do know that their goals require consistency. And so they don't give up when things are hard or when it seems that nothing is happening. They keep watering the seed, they keep tending to the soil, and they know that eventually it will sprout, it will grow, and it will bear fruits and flowers. And so, how committed are you to your vision and your goals and your dreams? Are you all fired up, but then don't have the consistency to keep the fire burning? Or you don't even allow yourself to dream or desire because you're kind of too lazy to do something about it. Also, with social media and with everyone sharing so many things online, there are so many messages about instant gratification and instant results and stuff like that. But ultimately, we know that there is a much deeper conversation and truth to that story. That to build a building, to create a business, to grow on social media, to nurture a relationship, literally to plant plants, we all know that that requires time and nurturance and consistency. That is not something that happens overnight. That doesn't mean that there aren't moments and situations in our lives where things seem to happen just like that. If you really want to achieve something, are you willing to do what it takes even when you cannot see the results of it yet? Can you still nurture the vision? Can you stick with your goal? And can you keep nurturing it and taking action on it daily, knowing that it will bear fruit in divine timing? Or do you just give up easily? That is the difference between the people who succeed in getting what they want and people who don't. So, which one are you? Are you too lazy and unmotivated to take consistent daily action that is necessary, and especially when you don't see results yet? Or do you keep trusting the vision? You keep learning and upgrading and taking action, knowing that someday in the future, in divine timing, it will come to fruition. So, my dear, of course it's going to be hard sometimes. Of course it's going to be challenging sometimes. Of course, that along the way you might doubt if it's going to work. You might doubt if you're wasting your time. You might doubt what you're creating, your vision. You might doubt it, and that's okay. But what do you do when those things show up? What do you do when the challenges show up? When the difficulties show up? Do you give up or do you keep going? Do you keep climbing the mountain or are you going to give up on the first trial, on the first difficulty, on the first challenge. If you truly desire something, how resilient and consistent can you be? And how much do you trust yourself to take action consistently, trusting that you will reap the rewards of your actions soon enough? And so you keep going, you keep taking action, you keep moving, and you don't stay stuck. You don't let the fears and doubts and challenges derail you or prevent you from taking further action. You deal with it in the moment and we keep going. We keep moving. We don't waste time and we don't waste too much energy doubting or giving up or delaying. We take action. We are consistent. We are resilient. And we know that soon enough, what we desire will come to fruition. That was the analogy I wanted to share today. And I hope this activates some remembrance within you, which you don't need because if you are consistent and sure and real and serious about what it is that you want, then you don't need no motivation. But if this ignited something in you, or just helped you in a moment of challenge, then I'm happy for that. It's nice sometimes that we also have other people who are in it for the long run. And when we are freaking out or having challenges or doubts or difficulties, that they remind us because they are in it for the long run as well. So that's what I'm doing today. And also, if you are someone who gives up easily, you probably wouldn't even be watching the video so far. You would have given up before. So if you're still here, then give yourself some credit for that, but also don't make it too much of a big deal. It's just a video that you watched. So what action are you going to take after watching this video? Is this just a video that you're watching for simple entertainment? Or are you actually taking some value from this and applying it in your life? Again, this is the difference from the people who give up and the people who succeed. So again, which one are you? So please share with us what have been your greatest challenges along your journey and what have you been doing about it? Are you able to stay consistent and to take action daily, or are you doubting yourself and giving up too easily? Do you need to start over? Are you almost there? Where are you on your mountain? The mountain that you're climbing to reach your goals. Where are you in the planting of your seed? Is your seed just below the soil? Is it starting to sprout? Is it starting to bear leaves? Is it kind of grown up? Is it growing really, really fast? Is it bearing flowers and fruits already? Where are you on your journey? Let us know in the comments below, share with us. And if you want more motivation, which you don't need, but just remembrance of such truths in our lives on our path to achieving what we want to achieve, subscribe and stick around for more. And also like this video if it was helpful and valuable for you. And I will see you soon. Bless you, bless you, bless you.